Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of generating invoices on your WordPress website. If you operate an online store or business with WordPress and want to add a plugin that enables both you and your customers to generate invoices directly on your site without needing external platforms, this tutorial is for you. The process is simple, so let's dive in. First, open your WordPress website dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Here, I will show you how to install a plugin that helps you generate invoices on your WordPress site. Click on Add New under the Plugins menu. In the search bar, type Invoices to find various plugin options. Choose a plugin that suits your needs. I will be using a plugin that is compatible with my WordPress version and integrates well with WooCommerce. This plugin allows you to create PDF invoices and packing slips. Once you've found the right plugin, click on Install Now and, after installation, click Activate. After activating the plugin, it will appear in your dashboard. You can choose between different options for generating invoices. For those who do not use WooCommerce, there's also an option for a plugin called Sprout Invoices, which is a versatile tool for generating invoices for any type of business. To register, simply add your email address, and then you can start configuring your invoice settings. In the settings, add your company information, including your company name, which could be the name of your website, contact email, phone number, fax, first and last name, street address, state, city, zip code, and country. Once your company information is entered, you can select from various invoice templates. There are several themes available, such as Basic, Default, Original, and Slide themes. After selecting a theme, you can also customize the colors of your invoices, upload your logo, and adjust the submission forms as needed. These are the general settings for your invoices. Next, move on to payment settings, where you can select your preferred payment methods. Sprout Invoices allows you to integrate various payment options such as PayPal, Stripe, Square, and others. You can choose the payment method that works best for your business, including credit card options. I'll be selecting Stripe for this example. Once you choose a payment method, you can also configure the money format according to your preferences, which will align with your WordPress settings. After completing the payment settings, don't forget to click Save to store your changes. Now, let's look at the notifications. This section allows you to receive notifications about invoices, payments, estimates, and more. You can customize which emails are sent for different actions, such as when an invoice is created or when a payment is received. In the add-ons section, you have the opportunity to further enhance your invoicing system by incorporating a range of additional features. These add-ons can provide increased functionality, allowing you to tailor your invoicing processes to your specific needs. The plugin goes beyond basic invoicing by offering a variety of insightful and detailed reports, including invoice reports that give you an overview of all your transactions, payment reports that track your payment history and status, and client reports that offer valuable information about your customers' activity and trends. By integrating these tools into your platform, you no longer need to rely on third-party services or additional software to manage and track your invoicing data. Everything is conveniently organized and accessible right from your WordPress dashboard, streamlining your workflow and ensuring all your financial information is in one place. In summary, this platform offers a highly user-friendly interface, making it incredibly easy and efficient to generate and manage invoices directly on WordPress. Whether you're running a small business or managing a larger operation, this tool provides all the features you need to keep track of your invoicing needs without the hassle. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy the convenience and efficiency of this platform.